Well, you've created some beautiful arrangements for us. Can you tell us something about them?
Thank you. Well, as I was using chrysanthemum, I like to use some different style, not just mixing the flowers all together. So I went from one color over the next to the red. And for the bouquet, I went for the autumn feel, but fresh, modern look with a lot of leaves and movement involved in the bouquet. So
they look amazing. And do you like working with the chrysanthemum?
Yes, I like chrysanthemum because they come in all different colors. You can mix and match them. They are long-lasting and they are just very easy to work with.
And these arrangements, where do you envision them?
Well, they actually can be used in many different places, from luxurious restaurants to somebody's home, even an office. It depends on the style that can be created with chrysanthemums.
So they're very versatile.
They are absolutely versatile.
Well, these autumn-themed arrangements, they look absolutely amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.